In today's video, we're going to look at what nettle root extract is, what it does, the science behind it, and how you can start using it as part of your hair care routine. Make sure to stay tuned. Hey guys, Leon here from Hairguard.com and welcome to the Hairguard YouTube channel. On this channel we make tons of science-backed videos on various aspects of hair loss, just like this one on nettle root extract. So if you are new here, please do consider subscribing and hit that notifications bell at the lower right of this video so you won't miss any of our uploads. And if you're watching this video on nettle root extract because you're personally worried about your hair loss, then make sure to click the link in the description to take the Hairguard hair loss quiz. You'll answer a few short questions about yourself and your hair loss, then you'll receive free expert advice on regrowing healthy hair. Now guys, let's get straight into it. What is nettle root extract? Well, it's exactly what it says on the tin, the extract from the roots of a plant called nettle. The plant also goes by various other names such as common nettle, stinging nettle, or nettle leaf. It can grow up to 2 meters in height, so it's a relatively large plant. Its scientific name is urtica dioica, and it can be found in most parts of the world, including Europe and North America. As you might have guessed it by the name, this is not something you want to be touching. The plant's leaves and stems are covered with needle-like hairs called trichomes, which defend the plant from being eaten by animals. Upon contact, trichomes inject a chemical cocktail rich in histamines and neurotransmitters like serotonin. If you're like most people, you've brushed past against a nettle during a walk through the countryside on many occasions. So you probably know what it feels like. It's not exactly painful, but is very unpleasant nevertheless, an unusual combination of stinging and itchiness. The nettle has been used for its medicinal properties going back many centuries, at least to the ancient Romans and Greeks. The name of the plant, urtica dioica, is actually derived from the Latin uri, which means to burn. Today, the nettle plant is used as a herbal remedy for a variety of conditions, including hay fever, allergies, joint pain, and benign prostate enlargement, which we'll come back to shortly. Now, when it comes to hair loss and nettle, there are no direct clinical studies on humans. But given what we know about the plant's composition and its long-standing reputation as a hair loss remedy, there is a decent case to be made that nettle root extract can aid in hair growth in 3 ways. We've got reducing scalp inflammation, neutralizing free radical damage, and blocking DHT. Nettle is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, which also have anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants play a powerful role in fighting free radicals and oxidative stress, which has been found to be higher in men suffering from male pattern baldness. But when it comes to the effects of nettle on blocking DHT in humans, we have very compelling indirect evidence from a recent study which looked at nettle as a treatment for benign prostate enlargement. If you're a regular viewer of this channel, then you probably know very well that increased sensitivity to DHT is the immediate cause of male pattern baldness. But DHT is also the chief culprit in benign prostate enlargement. It is no coincidence that finasteride, the only FDA-approved oral medication for male pattern baldness, is also approved for the treatment of benign prostate enlargement. So the results of a 2005 double-blind placebo-controlled study that found nettle root extract to be superior to placebo in the treatment of benign prostate enlargement should certainly grab our attention. The researchers found after 6 months, 81% of patients on nettle root extract reported an improvement in their prostate-related symptoms, compared to 43% of patients who were on placebo. And this was no small study. It actually recruited almost 600 patients. Now, in all fairness, the research team behind this very promising study did not want to make any assumptions behind the plant's molecular mechanism of action, and they did not claim that it works by blocking DHT. But given all this other evidence, this seems like a reasonable assumption to make, and if it turns out to be correct, then it could have significant implications for the treatment of male pattern baldness. At Hairguard, we keep an eye on all the latest hair loss research, and if any new nettle-related research comes out, you can be sure to find it covered here. Now, you don't need a prescription to start using nettle root, and it's a widely available product that you can find on Amazon and other online vendors, as well as your local health food store. The most commonly sold form is a capsule, with a potency that is typically between 250 and 300 milligrams. You can also get it as a liquid extract in the form of a tincture, while some of the vendors also offer it as a loose powder that you could just dissolve in water. All these various forms are for oral systemic use. There are no established dosage guidelines, but 300mg is a good place to start if you're taking nettle root for hair loss or for benign prostate enlargement. If you're interested in using stinging nettle topically, you won't be applying the extract, but can use instead fresh or dry nettle leaves to create an oil infusion for maximum absorption. We've covered this in a previous video that I've linked to you in the description below. Now, I didn't mention any side effects in this video because, quite frankly, there aren't any. However, as a word of caution, if you were taking prescription medications, including blood thinners, diuretics, antihypertensives, and anti-inflammatories, then you might want to consult with your doctor before going on nettle, as there is a possibility that it might interact with these drugs. Let us know about your experience with nettle in the comments below, and if you want to check out some of our other videos on hair loss, click on the screen right now.